We are back at the Loram again. This is the Loram, and they actually are working on it. This is the Loram rail grinder. Loram rail grinder, shut down for maintenance. They are washing her and scrubbing her down. This is the huge water tank that I was talking to you about, and they are really giving her a good scrub and wash down. They actually have the grinding beds raised to show you what is happening. They look like they got the tree branches raised, but yeah, this is the grinding motors that is them all. They're washing her. They're doing maintenance on it. Wow, they actually have it raised. Wow. They still got the ginormous tree branch. And you're not going to go a lot farther of high weeds, but you really kind of can't see too much of it, but there's a thick high weeds, and I'm not going to get super close, but this is the Loram rail grinder. Kind of bright. Fire suppression foam. A little bit too bright. But this is the Loram rail grinder. Loram, it is all kind of covered, and those are lights. You guessed it, lights. I'm not sure what that is. But that is a machinist for Loram. He's doing maintenance. Look at that ginormous Loram. Nice a sunny day at least. Danger grinding equipment. See, that's a hose. Look, they are permanently coupled. Very unusual wool machine. Those are the grinding motors. They actually have them lowered. They are changing, there's actually a guy right there that is performing maintenance on the grinder. They have it lowered. It smells like it. I call it in. Woo! Whoa, that is big. That is what the grinding motors actually look like. When they're raised,